Hello guys, welcome back to my channel for yet another exciting mod video for my XSR700. Today I'll be replacing the stock tail tidy and the stock signal lights with some better looking ones. I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get started. So these are all the parts that I've used for this mod video. The links for all these parts have been provided in the description. Please check it out. So the first step would be to get the seat off of the bike and then unscrew all the bolts to get access to the wiring compartment. Remove the screws that are holding the stock tail tidy. Once that is done, unplug the cables from the tail tidy. Make sure to properly mark the cables so that it's easier to plug them back later. You then need to unscrew 5 of these screws to get the top off. This will be attached to the new tail tidy later on. Get all the washers from the old tail tidy and remove them, and then have them placed in the new tail tidy. We then will install the new LED license plate light, which is included in the new tail tidy kit. Next step would be to start with the installation of the new Cafe Racer LED bullet turn signal lights, which I got off of eBay, and I've provided the link for it in the description down below. That we have our new tail tidy set up with the new LED turn signal lights, we will use the top from the stock tail tidy and screw them back to the new one. Make sure to properly run the cables underneath the new tail tidy. So the final step would be to install the tail tidy back on the bike using the screws that we had unscrewed initially. Once you have done that, plug in all the cables for the turn signals, headlight, and the license plate light. Once you have done that, verify that all the lights work as expected, and then put the seat back on the bike. So once you have set up the rear turn signal lights and the tail tidy, you will need to install the front turn signal lights. I have not included those steps in this video as they are fairly simple to do, but if you struggle installing them, do let me know and I can guide you on it. So that is it, guys. I hope you like the new look of my bike. If you have any questions or concerns regarding this mod video, please comment down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.